Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in an Agaro egg boiler. First, add water to the boiler's base, usually up to the designated poaching line. Next, lightly grease the poaching tray with a small amount of cooking oil to prevent sticking. Then, carefully crack one egg into each individual section of the prepared poaching tray. This simple setup ensures your eggs cook perfectly. Once your eggs are ready in the tray, carefully place the poaching tray onto the water-filled base of the Agaro egg boiler. Make sure the tray is seated properly. Then, securely cover the egg boiler with its lid. Finally, turn on the egg boiler and let it work its magic. The steam will gently cook your eggs to perfection. The cooking time for poached eggs in an Agaro boiler typically ranges from 6 to 8 minutes for a soft to medium yolk. You can adjust this time slightly to achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like a runnier or firmer yolk. Most Agaro egg boilers will automatically shut off once the water has evaporated, signaling your eggs are ready. Once the boiler indicates your eggs are done, carefully remove the hot poaching tray using oven mitts or a towel. Then, use a spoon to gently slide each perfectly poached egg onto your plate. They are wonderful on toast, salads, or just by themselves. Remember to clean the egg boiler after it cools down to keep it in great condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.